back to Fun Story Factory. We've got a really special book today. It's called I Wish Mummy Could. It's written by Moorcroft-Jones and illustrated by Haynes. If your mummy's not well and you can't do all the things you want to do with her, it's about how you can enjoy the special time that she does have with you, and you can enjoy it even more so. Shall we read this book and find out what happens? Let's begin, shall we? And I can't start reading till I actually say that this was written for their amazing friend Gemma and her incredible little boy William. So that makes it even more special, doesn't it? Let's start. Yesterday, I wished that Mummy could take me to the park to play on the swings. But Mummy was feeling tired and she can't walk very far at the moment. The day before, I wished that Mummy could take me to the farm to see all the animals. I can see some cows, chickens, but she isn't allowed to drive her car until she's feeling better. Do you like going to farms? Can you see the cow and the chicken and the little chick? And the cow saying moo. It's really good fun at the farm. The day before that, I wished that Mummy could read my bedtime story, but Mummy had to stay in the hospital for the night. I felt sad that none of my wishes had come true. But today, Mummy was feeling better and we had a day out. We had a picnic in the park with all my favourite foods. That's so nice. What's your favourite food? What a lovely picnic. Can you see the bottle of lemonade and the bananas? And look at the beautiful cupcakes with the cherry on the top. Looks yummy. And it looks like there's also a slice of quiche and a lovely healthy salad. Do you like picnics? We got an ice cream from the van. Yum, yum. There's the ice cream van. Wow, do you like queuing up for an ice cream in the summer? It's yummy, isn't it? What ice cream do you like the most? We played hide and seek and we fed the ducks. Can you see the ducks in the pond? It's wonderful, isn't it, to feed the ducks? Do you go to the park and feed ducks? Can you see what the ducks are saying? It says quack, quack. We baked lots of delicious cakes and we read all my favourite stories before bed. I had the best day ever. Can you name all the things you need to make a cake? I can see the flour and eggs and the butter. And there's a lovely big bowl with a wooden spoon. And look at those lovely cakes they made with the strawberries on the top. There's a story which starts with Once Upon a Time. And there's a lovely rainbow. That's how lots of lovely stories start, don't they? I know that sometimes Mummy can't do the things that I wish she could. But I know that Mummy wishes she could do them just as much as I do. And now, when we do spend time together, it is even more special. And he's done a lovely painting, which I'm going to show you, which says, I love Mummy. And that's a very special book. And that means that you're understanding that your mummy's not well. Because when she can't do things, then you have to be patient. But when she's better, she can do all those wonderful things that you enjoy doing. Isn't that lovely? We're going to see you again soon for another story. Bye-bye. I heart Mummy. I love Mummy. Why don't you go and paint one of those? That looks so nice. You can put it on the fridge.